Dear viewers, in this video we study the important features of transamination. All transaminases require PLP, that is pyridoxal phosphate, a coenzyme derived from vitamin B6. There is no free ammonia liberated, only the transfer of amino group occurs. Transamination is reversible. Transamination is important for the redistribution of amino group and production of non-essential amino acids. It involves both catabolism and anabolism of amino acids. Transamination diverts the excess amino acid towards energy generation. All amino acids except lysine, threonine, proline, and hydroxyproline participate in transamination. Transamination is not restricted to alpha amino groups only. For example, delta amino group of ornithine is transaminated. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you very much.